Today is about prepping for our jumps. Yesterday I made mention about how I'll often ask my younger dancers or newer dancers to do a temps levé sauté in first before we do a jump. Reason for this is whenever we prep for a jump, we need to make sure that we have a solid plie. The plie is going to be our spring. That's how we leave the floor. That's our oomph. And that's also our shock absorber when we land. So when we prep for a jump, eventually we need to take that temps levé out. That cannot become our crutch. We need to make sure that we have a super strong demi-plie that we're able to lengthen out. We press out through our hips, we pull up through our hips, out through the top of our head, so we get super, super tall. And we push ourselves away from the ground, so everything expands and allows us to leave. On the landing, like I said, you need to make sure that you are implementing that plie again to make sure that you land softly. Our jump should never be loud. When we are landing, we want to make sure that we're still melting toe ball heel to make sure that we are softening that land. With any kind of jump, you also need to make sure that you're keeping your head up. Now there are certain types of jumps, or in at least the jump category, such as barrel turns, where you may have more of a side inclination. Your head is still going up and out in order to execute the move. One of the things that I ask our dancers to do is look up into the corners of the room if we're traveling at a diagonal, so we are able to keep our gaze upwards. When you're looking up, your body is more inclined to follow. You look down, you're more likely to jump down to the ground and will not really leave the floor all too far. So by keeping that head up, you're able to lift. These are just some of the key points in prepping your body for jumps and things that you should keep practicing while you are trying new jumps. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we talk about more alignment. I will see you then.